Let's continue to work with words that have the long and short A sound. We know that there are different combinations which make the long A sound. A consonant silent E, A I, A Y, E I, and E A. Those are the different combinations that make the long A sound. Let's look at the word claim. We hear the A in claim, and we see that the AI is what makes the long A sound. Let's look at the word clam. We don't hear the long A, we hear a short A. Clam. Let's work with some words that have the long A or the short A in them. Let's look at the first word, name. We hear the long A in name, and I see A consonant silent E, so we would write it under this column. Let's look at the word plane. I hear A, so that's the long sound, and I see that the AI is making it say making the long A sound. The next word is raining. Again, I hear the long A, and I see that AI is making the long A sound. Let's look at this word may. The AY is making the long A sound. The next word is way. The EI makes the long A. Let's look at Sunday. I hear A at the end, and that makes it the long A sound. Sorry, that AY makes the long A sound. You notice that Sunday is capitalized because it's the name of the week. There is a month, May, which that would have to be capitalized. This word is, may I have your attention. Great. I hear A. EA is making it. The next word is catch. And you hear the short A. Catch. And the next word is backpack. Again, I hear short A's. The next word is breaking. I see EA. That makes the A sound. Forgave. I hear that long A sound at the end. So it's A, consonant, silent E. And neighbor. And I hear the A right here. And that's the EI, which is making the long A. Pause the video to complete the attached activity called Accountable Text. This activity is an opportunity to record yourself reading a text and listen to yourself as a reader. In this sentence, my dad thinks observation is the best way to understand dangerous weather, so he's out there chasing storms. Look at the underlined word observation. What does that word mean? I see the base word observe. Right there. I know that observe means to carefully watch. I also see the suffix ation. I also know that the suffix ation can mean the act of. So if I put those parts together, observation is the act of watching carefully. And that makes sense because watching a storm carefully is one of the best ways to understand it. Pause the video to complete the attached activity called Closed Sort. This activity will have you sort the words based on the headings. The next time we're in person, be ready to share what you learned about predicting the weather after reading the text today.